Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to RERi PV TV, the day with the latest news out of the PV industry summarized for you. Nice to have you clicked in. Good afternoon. US solar market with strong growth. The American market research company GTM Research and the Solar Energy Industry Association have published a study according to which the US solar market has grown heavily in the second quarter compared to the same period of last year.
What we see is the industry growing extremely fast in the United States. Our second quarter numbers that we just released today actually show that the industry grew by well over 100%, 116% quarter on quarter this year versus last year. And in fact, we saw 45% growth over the first quarter's numbers. And as we continue to see growth, we're seeing diversification, growth in residential markets, growth in commercial markets, and growth in utility markets. So overall, we're seeing very strong growth of the industry.
The extension amount to approximately 742 megawatts of PV installation. This growth was driven primarily due to the construction of large-scale photovoltaic systems with a total of 477 megawatts. Photovoltaic power plants were installed with an utility scale of more than 10 megawatt were installed in 8 US states. Brits keen to invest in renewables. British multinational banking company Barclays reports that one-third of the farmers in United Kingdom plan to invest in renewable energy within the next 2 years. According to a new research from Barclays, the vast majority of farmers, exactly 82%, is concerned about rising energy costs. 27% of farmers see rising costs as the single biggest threat to their business in the next 5 years, and 10% worried about price volatility. Solar-Bau and Senersun collaborate. French solar company Senersun has entered into an agreement to supply German Solar-Bau with 23 megawatt worth of solar photovoltaic modules for distribution in Poland. Solar-Bau plans to use the modules for its engineering, procurement and construction work, as well to resell the modules on a retail basis. Under the agreement, Senersun will become Solar-Bau's official partner in the nation. More solar for Southern California. San Francisco-based Pacific Gas and Electric Company has signed a power purchase agreement with Californian SunPower Corporation for electricity to be produced by a 100 megawatt solar photovoltaic plant in Southern California. The contract must still go before the California Public Utility Commission for approval. SunPower expects to begin construction on Henrietta Solar project in 2015 and begin commercial operation late by 2016. Massive PV power plant for Japan. Japanese asset manager Sparks Group announced that it will build an 8 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Kumamoto Prefecture, Japan. Sparks entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Japanese companies Ashikitamachi Town and Cortec to build the Ashikitamachi Mega Solar Plant. The plant is expected to cost about $35.8 million US. Construction is scheduled for December 2012, with start of commercial operation is expected in October 2013. Agua, Caliente becomes largest PV plant worldwide. Arizona-based First Solar has announced that it has commissioned 250 megawatt AC of capacity at its Agua Caliente solar photovoltaic plant near the city of Yuma in Arizona, making it the largest operational solar plant in the world. The plant will have a total capacity of 290 megawatt when completed, which is scheduled for 2014. So, as far as the news for today, tomorrow we'll be back for you as usual on our website pv.tv. Have a nice time, see you and goodbye.